Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to create a video for you about the quizzes. So if you are receiving this video, that means that you are missing one or all of your Vocab Unit 1 quizzes. So you'll want to make sure that you complete those. So notice I am on the English 103B course page right now. And an easy way to access these quizzes is that you can just go ahead and click under class content on the main page, Vocab Unit 1. So I can click on this, and it's going to go ahead and take me to this vocabulary unit, okay? Now notice what it says. You really want to make sure you're reading everything. These vocabulary quizzes were assigned on days that we do not have class connects, so you want to make sure that you're really reading through these lessons very thoroughly. So it says to study the Unit 1 words to prepare for the quizzes. So you'll want to click on this, and you can save this to your computer, you can print it off, but you'll want to look over all of these words. So this goes over synonyms, and it tells you what they are, and then it actually lists all of the words that you're going to be working with this unit, okay? So to download it, it's pretty easy to do. Right here, you can click on download, and then you've got a PDF version, and you can save this by clicking right here, okay? You can also print it off too. Either way you want to do it, that's fine. That's the first step. You'll want to become familiar with these words, okay? After that, you've got your actual quizzes. So if I click back to Vocab Unit 1, all of the quizzes that you'll need to take for this unit are listed right here. So you can just go one by one through the quizzes. This first quiz is the most confusing one if you don't read the directions. So I want to go ahead and just show you this one first. So notice how it says right here, use this document to answer the questions on the quiz. This is a link to the actual document that has your quiz questions. So if you go to the quiz itself, and I'll preview it for you. I'm going to click on the document just so I have it ready, and I'll click back to the quiz. So you should do the same. Get the document up there first, and then go ahead and start your quiz. It's also right here in case you miss it. Notice it just has the word, it says vicious, and then there's a blank here. This blank is not very big. And the reason for that is because if you'll notice here, number 1, vicious blank. You need to decide what is the synonym of vicious from this right side list over here. And so let's say that you believe that it is M, okay? Then what you're going to want to do on your quiz is you are going to want to type in M. Same goes for the next one, number 2. You click back to the quiz, number 2. You'll decide what letter of the synonym matches up. So let's say maybe you would choose U. Now please don't copy my letters because I'm just choosing random ones just to show you. Click back to the quiz, and there you go. So that's how you take that one. The other quizzes are pretty self-explanatory. Please make sure you take all 3 of these quizzes. They're 30 points total, so they are really going to affect your grade if you don't have these in. If you click on grades, you can see how you're doing in English and see if you're missing anything. But that is this process of completing Vocabulary Unit 1. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm only an email away.